She's beautiful. Oh, hey guys, Blue Yeti microphone review coming your way right now. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today we're going to be unboxing and reviewing the Blue Yeti USB microphone. I did purchase this product myself on Amazon. If you're interested in this product or finding out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. I want to point out, I was able to find this microphone cheaper, bundled in with the game. So this one comes with Assassin's Creed Origins. And it was cheaper than just buying the regular Blue Yeti microphone. Now again, you might not get the same color options, but I honestly didn't care about color. This will be used off camera, similar to the Blue Yeti microphone I'm using right here in my studio right now. You'll never be able to see it. So for podcasting, streaming, filming, that sort of thing, I'm excited to have this one. And I actually think this color looks really cool. So be sure to check that out. There's always some weird loopholes on Amazon. You never really know, but for some reason, this was bundled with the game and it was cheaper than without the game. You can also maybe find some of these on Amazon warehouse deals too if you're looking to pinch pennies. So here's how it comes packaged too, in a really cool, nice retail box. Love the branding and product photography on there. And again, you can see we got the Assassin's Creed Origins right there as well. So this is going to be the ultimate microphone for streaming, podcasting, filming, anything with a computer, tutorials, Skyping even if you want. So I'm really pumped for it. Just love the product packaging. I mean, it shows you all the great features right there. And then they have a great diagram down here helping you understand all the different microphone settings as well. So you're definitely going to want to keep that and reference that later on. I still look at the box for my other Blue Yeti mic just as a quick reference to understand which mode I need to be in for certain audio requirements. So now let's go ahead, let's look at the package contents. Here are all the package contents. First up, we have your USB to mini jack USB cable. We have a nice user guide for you to walk you through all the technical details of setting up this microphone. You can see the great charts and diagrams right here, like what we showed on the box earlier, helping you understand which mode and application is appropriate for what you need to do. They even have a lot of technical details with the chart and graph right there for you to be able to understand more about the audio recording capabilities of this mic. Here's the Assassin's Creed Origins game code right here as well, since this version did come with the game. And then last but not least, the microphone itself, it looks great. I love that it's all one color. Just has a great silver color to it. Looks really sharp if you ask me. I also have the blackout edition and I really like that as well. That one's all black. So this looks really nice. We can see right there, we have a couple different options for you. We have your mute button. We have your master volume right there. If I flip it over, we can see at the bottom, we got your USB port where we'll plug that in to connect it to our computer. We have headphones if you want to do some active monitoring. And we have your threaded standard microphone mount right there as well if you don't want to use it on the included stand. I love this stand that it comes with. I'm going to probably use it on that for now. It's got a great weight and feel to it. Everything just looks really cool, really sharp. You can see on the back we have the pattern adjustment depending on which mode we want. And then we have your gain as well, so you can adjust the gain right here with that top knob. Now just for a second, let's go over all the different modes. So the first mode we have is the stereo mode, and that's showing, let's go ahead, let's pull it up on here too. Maybe you can see the nice chart right here. So we have your stereo mode, and stereo mode is showing how the sound is going to be captured into that microphone. So you can see we got three main points right there with those solid arrows. Then I believe that dotted arrow is letting us know some sound will trickle in from the front or the back of the mic, depending on how you want to look at that. So that says it's great for vocals, a choir, and instruments. Then we have your cardioid mode that kind of looks like a little heart. So that's on the back here on the microphone, so we can see that right there. Stereo. Then we have your cardioid mode, and that's going to be for podcasts, voiceovers, vocals, and instruments. That's basically just doing like 180 degree or less, 160 degree capture of your voice and the audio coming in that direction from the microphone. Then you can see we got the Omnidirectional, and that's going to capture sound from every direction. So you can see right there, it's got a solid circle, easy to understand, Omni, everything. So that's really cool. Showing you conference calls, field recordings, events, orchestras. And then we got the bidirectional right there. That's the last mode. This would be great for like podcasts and interviews. If you want to talk into the same mic as somebody else that's sitting across from you and you guys are facing each other, showing you for interviews, instruments, vocal duets. So that's the modes really quick. Now let's go ahead, let's plug it in and try it out. So we're back here now, guys. You're listening to the raw audio coming straight out of this Blue Yeti microphone. We're currently in stereo mode with the gain set to 0. Don't forget, in this mode, we got arrows pointing in all three of these directions that are solid, and then a dotted arrow coming in this way. So it's capturing sound everywhere from here, and then I believe it is trickling in some sound from the back side of the microphone as well. Now let's go ahead. Here's the gain knob. Let's adjust the gain to roughly 25% right there. Then let's bring it up to 50% or so right there so you can get a feel for it. Here's 75% right there. And then here's 100%. This microphone is really sensitive, so I like to keep the gain as low as possible. Also want to show you really quick, the mute button works great. Now let's go ahead, let's push it again, and hopefully you can hear me again. So let's check out another mode. Now we're in cardioid mode. Again, this is going to be the mode where it's roughly 160 degrees or so capturing sound from this microphone. The gain is set to 0. Let's go ahead. Let's move the gain up a notch. There's roughly maybe 25%. Here's 50% for the gain. Here's 75% for the gain. And there's 100% gain. Let's bring it back down so you can kind of get a feel for how sensitive this microphone really is, guys. It's super sensitive and it's a really nice microphone. Let's check out another mode. Now we're in the omnidirectional mode. This is going to capture sound equally from all four sides, and we have the gain set to 0 right now. So let's go ahead. Let's get that gain turned up roughly 25% right there. Here's 50% gain. Here's 75% gain, and here's 100% gain. Let's bring it back down. We can keep talking for another second before we check out the last mode. Now we're in the bidirectional mode. This is going to capture audio straight on here and straight on towards you in the camera. Perfect for interviews, podcasts, that sort of thing. We have the gain set to 0 right now. Let's go ahead. Let's adjust the gain again. Here's roughly 25%. Here's 50% for the gain. Let's bring it all the way up to 75% and up to 100% and bringing it back down all the way to 0. So hopefully that helps you guys understand the settings a little bit better and to get a good feel for the raw audio here. You have a ton of potential and things to work with this microphone, so I highly recommend it. So if you're interested in this product, the link to it will be in my video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Don't forget my word of advice. You might be able to find it cheaper bundled with the game than just buying it regular. So be sure to check that out on Amazon, guys. Hit that like button for me. Subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily and don't want you guys to miss anything. Thank you so much for being here. Give us a follow on social media as well. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. You can message us on WeChat. Check our website and join our free newsletter. Please don't forget, subscribe to the channel. New content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.